Want to unlock a world of apps beyond the Google Play Store? Let's learn how to safely install APK files on your Android device. First, we need to enable installation from unknown sources. Open your device's Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Security or Privacy if you're using a newer Android version. Now, look for an option called Install Unknown Apps, Install from Unknown Sources, or something similar. Tap on it. You'll see a list of apps. Choose the app you'll use to download and open the APK file, such as Chrome or your file manager. Tap on that app, and then toggle the Allow from this source. Switch to the On position. This gives the chosen app permission to install APK files. Next, find the APK file you want to install. This is usually in your Downloads folder. Tap on the APK file. A window will pop up asking if you want to install the application. Carefully review the app permissions. If you're confident in the source, tap Install. Once the installation is complete, you can tap Open to launch the app, or Done to close the installer. Congratulations! You've successfully installed an APK file. Remember to only download APKs from trusted sources to protect your device. Happy exploring!